Okay, the treasure is hidden. Now it's your turn to find it. Okay, we're going on a hike. We got our little dog Toto too. Look at this beautiful mountain we get to hike. Go right there. Dog not listening. Come on, hurry. Good. All right. Hey, we're rolling. We have now found a place that's perfect for you to come find our treasure. All right. So.
We got this view.
Oh. All right. I can't flip it. So. We're at the Wave Cave. Now, a month ago, we came up and hid a treasure up there, and then 2 days later, we hadn't even released it yet. We got an email from Rudy and Marcy saying that they found our treasure, but what's so weird is that they found it in a place that we didn't even hide it. So somebody found it out before they did and hid it somewhere else. So shout out to Marcy and Rudy for finding our treasure.
So you put it in. What did you put in? Put $1 in there.
Put $1.
You replaced it.
Nikki, holla.
So we're gonna go check on it, see if we can find it. But in case, we brought another one that we're gonna go hide up there. We don't have kids or a dog this time.
That's right.
We're gonna run as fast as we can, see how fast
Date
we
night
can do
jog
this.
on this beautiful spring. Look at this.
It's a gorgeous day.
Look at the desert. Beautiful place.
Yeah, it's really green. And we're gonna try and beat the sun too. So we have only a couple hours to do this hike. So wish us luck. Oh, getting our jogging. About, what are we? What? Serpentine. We've gone about 5 minutes in. I'm almost dead. So I'm not as in shape as I thought I was.
In shape, out of shape.
Or he just has longer legs. So I have to take twice the steps, okay? But we're getting closer. We're getting there. It's still really pretty. Trying to keep my chin up and my legs moving. Okay, we're halfway there, maybe. I can see the wave cave. It's in our sights. We're almost there. And I'm not gonna apologize because I don't think I'm that far out of shape. It's just that you're like a rock star in shape. And he's like pushing. Okay, anybody out there have husbands that just push and push?
Here we go. Chop, 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 chop.
It's okay that I have to rest every 2 minutes. It's a really steep hill, okay? Bear with me. Thanks for your patience. I got this. Whoa. Oh, thanks for the push, honey. All right, we made it. Excuse me while I go throw up. Little wave. Ooh, you hear it echo? Dun 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 dun. We did it. All right, let's see this view. Gold. All right, Steve, catch the wave. All right, from the wave, we're gonna take this little trail to the side. This is what we did last time, so we'll see what happened. Ooh, watch out for those little suckers. They'll get you. Stay on the trail closest to the mountain. Okay, so here's the cave next to the cave. Okay, so here's where we hid it last time.
I'm gonna sneak into a little cave and hide this treasure. Hopefully I don't get bit by any snakes.
Woo! Okay. Watch, all of a sudden you go. Tyson, that's so mean.
I was gonna grab his leg, but then he started moving.
Hurley, are you okay? Oh, watch your head. Oh man. Here it is. Oh, we're not even gonna let it peek at all. But it's back there. No, can't even see it from here. I think it's good. Nature clean, y'all. Let's see all that garbage we found on the trail.
Cleaning it up.
Cleaning up the trail.